those who are always there with placards, dharnas, sit-ins, hashtag campaigns, protests, they are perplexed. Media organizations that are based in Bengaluru are blacking out the story. There is no crusade. There is no crusade. I'll tell you why. Because they are embroiled in the same circles because their friends are being caught.
The family is being told, Arnab.
No, there is no crusade. At least I'm being honest. Sanjana Galrani used to come on my programs. I'm questioning her today. You people are not even being true to yourself. Why are you being servile to those people who are running drug rackets? No, Anurag, this is
let us not take
rubbish.
What happens? People who are connected with them, friends, families, cousins.
Tell me one thing, Anurag Naidu. Before I hand over to Prashant, let me ask you, is it secular to have drugs?
Definitely not.
Is it secular to have drugs?
It's an offense, but who has to
Is it communal to question those who have drugs?
The Narcotics Bureau has to prove it.
No. Is it secular? Why is the secular gang quiet? Pseudo-secular gang.
Not the secular gang.
Prashant is on the debate. After that, I think Indrajit wants to come in. But first, Prashant, I think you need to respond. Yeah.
Arnab, there's a big nexus between Bollywood and Sandalwood. We can see a lot of a bridge between the Sandalwood and Bollywood. One Imtiaz Khatri and his associate, Sheikh Faizullah, who is an associate of Imtiaz Khatri, who's associated with Salman Khan, Shoaib Khan, always gets biggies, Bollywood stars to Karnataka. And he's been missing. Police are searching for Sheikh Faizullah. Sheikh Faizullah is one of the key person needed in the Karnataka drug scandal. So there's a big nexus between gambling in casino in Sri Lanka and the Sandalwood actors. So there's a very huge nexus. The gambling market is estimated to be about 1,000 crores every year from Karnataka alone. And the entire marketing of this gambling is done by these heroines, Sanjana and other heroines.
Consume drugs does not mean that Sandalwood industry is a shady place. There are 23,400 artists.
Because you have artists and you give employment, you can have drugs. Hi everyone, this is Arnab Goswami and I want to talk about our digital platform Republic World, the fastest news destination which has got you covered on all fronts, be it politics, entertainment or sport. And the reason I want you to follow Republic World is because for far too long there has only been negativity about India on the digital medium. Republic World is my campaign against the negativity prevalent on social media and digital media. So for the first time, I offer you a choice. Get the content that builds the nation. Avoid the content and avoid everyone on digital media who speaks against the nation. And do not forget to download the Republic World app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching. Together, let's kill the negativity against India on the digital media. Let's ensure that it's truly nation first, no compromise.